Hello, my name is Seungmin and this is my third video for the weather briefing. This is the surface chart of the US at 0 UTC July 14. There's cold front at Kansas State and changes to stationary front at Iowa and continues to Canada bypassing Wisconsin and Michigan. There's high pressure at north part of California, Nevada between Idaho and Wyoming, east part of South Dakota and Kansas. There's low pressure at Washington, south part of California, east part of Utah, and west part of Kansas. This is the image of visible satellite, and in this image there's some clouds at west part of the US and the line of clouds passing through Kansas, Iowa, and Wisconsin. And there's some clouds on Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. This is the image of radar, and there's a line of moderate to heavy rain passing Arizona, New Mexico, Kansas, Iowa, and Wisconsin. This is the image of convective outlook, and in most part of south there's general thunderstorm, and there's marginal to slight thunderstorm between Wisconsin and Illinois. This is the image of air mat, and in the northern part of California there's icing between 15,000 feet to 25,000 feet, and there's most part of the US there's freezing level from surface to 16,000 feet. This is the image of power report, and there's some power reports around the US, and there's not severe power reports, but there's one with the moderate between Wisconsin and Illinois, and this is observed by Boeing 763, and it says there's moderate turbulence at the flight level 33,000 feet. This is the image of freezing level chart, and the most part of the US freezing level is between 15,000 feet to 17,000 feet, but in some regions freezing levels are higher than 17,000 feet. This is the mita of the Grand Forks, and there's 4 knots of wind from 280 degrees, and there's 10. The visibility is 10 statute mile, and there's few clouds at 8,000 feet, and the temperature is 31, and the dew point temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. This is the image of satellite, and in this image there's some clouds at west part of the South Dakota and North Dakota, and there's some clouds in Minnesota too. This is the image of radar, and there's nothing special near Grand Forks. This is the image of power report, and there's only one power report at South Dakota. This is the image of low level proc chart for 6 July 14. At the left image, which is 12-hour duration, there's moderate or greater turbulence between surface to 7,000 feet between Washington, Idaho, and Montana. And there's IFR condition at western part of California. And for the right image, which is 24-hour duration, there's IFR condition at the west part of California, and there's moderate to greater turbulence at Montana at the flight level between surface to 10,000 feet. This is the image of high-level significant weather chart, and there's jet stream at the flight level 39,000 passing through Washington, Idaho, and Montana. And there's other jet stream at 40,000 feet starting from Minnesota and goes up to Canada. And there's isolated embedded cumulus clouds as southwest part of the US and the middle of US. The highest cloud top is 45,000 feet and the lowest one is below 25. This is the image of taps of the Grand Forks, and there's 5 knots of wind from 260 degrees, and the visibility is higher than 6 stage mile, and skies are clear. And after 15 July, there's 12 gusting 20 knots at 200 degrees, and the visibility is higher than 6 stage mile, and skies are clear. This is the end of my weather briefing. Thank you.